very good morning to the esteemed jury and the members of the World HRD Congress. We represent K. Raheja Corp and we are here to present on the Dream Companies to Work For Awards 2016. Before we start, a brief about our company. So K. Raheja started off in 1956. Our core has been into real estate. Apart from residential and commercial, which is the core of the business, we are also into other verticals as well. We are a well-diversified group. So we have residential, commercial into real estate. We also have Imperial Surf Corp, which is our business center division. We have Matrix, which is our facilities management division. We have hotels, which is a very much growing division. And under this, we have JW Marriott and Sahar, which was recently started. We have the Renaissance, we have the Westin in Hyderabad, to name a few. Apart from this, we have Inorbit, which is under the malls division. And under this, currently, we have around 6 operational malls. So a couple of stats to look at. As I said, 1956 is when we started off, so more than 60 years of rich and diverse experience. We have a pan-India location, and we have an employee strength of around 1341 employees as of today, with a gender ratio of 1:6, female is to male. So why K. Raheja for Dream Company to work for? What is it, that sets us apart? At K. Raheja, we believe that the foundation is happy employees. Healthy employees would mean productive employees. In this presentation, we'll focus on what is actually under these 3 categories that sets us apart. So we won't focus on the routine things we do, but we'll actually focus on the things which we do differently, what sets us apart from the competitors which we have. So what actually makes employees at K. Raheja Corp happy? What is it that enables them to grow within the company, to be with the company, and survive for a long, long time to come? We look at the employee benefits and engagement we have to keep them happy. Firstly, we speak about the employee-friendly HR policies, which is a very broad framework. So we've picked up a couple of them which are very important, which are very diverse in nature, and our focus is for this today. So work-life balance is what we focus on in K. Raheja. This is achieved mainly because we have a flexi work schedule. We allow employees to come in any time between 9 to 10 in the morning. They work for 9 hours and they can leave between 6 to 7. So this flexibility is given to them, which is very much appreciated. Also, we have 5-day work week. Apart from this, we also have a prefix-suffix rule which was abolished a long time back, wherein, say, if an employee takes a leave on a Friday and a Monday, Saturday, Sunday being an off, the leaves which are calculated only are Friday and Monday, not Saturday, Sunday. So, apart from this, coming to our core policies, maternity we know as per Act is 3 months, but we've extended it by another 1 month, so it's 4 months as of today. We also have paternity leave, wherein a leave of 5 working days is given to new fathers. We have an adoption assistance policy, wherein apart from the financial assistance, also leaves are given to the new fathers and mothers. We have a benevolent fund scheme in place, wherein a corpus has been created under K. Raheja Corp Fund, and any employees facing certain exigencies, be it medical or certain family problems, wherein the medical quota has been exhausted, this is where the company helps them financially a lot. We also have work from home and sabbaticals. This is mainly for the new mothers, but case-to-case basis, it's also extended to other employees as well. We also have education assistance. Now, this is mainly for employees to pursue further studies in fields which are related to their own profile. So financial assistance is given to them. Also, we are very open in terms of giving them leaves for it, or early going and late coming. So case-to-case basis, this is also taken care of. We also have employee discounts on retail brands like Hypercity, Shopper Stop, and so on. And of course, we give them hotel stays, be it at the Renaissance Resort. So all of these, if you see, are good motivators for them to be with us. And this entire framework of policies ensure that our employees are happy and very much committed to K. Raheja Corp. We also look at the fun at work activities. Now at K. Raheja, we believe that apart from work, employee engagement activities are very important. It's very important for 2 different companies within the vertical to collaborate, to interact with each other and have the kind of synergy. For this, we have a series of activities going on. So every quarter, we have at least one event which is conducted at the corporate office and across the sites as well. We have an employee engagement calendar as well drawn up in the beginning of the year and which takes care of the events. So to name a few of the events, we had Beat the Heat, which is our summer event. We have Monsoon Mela, wherein we distributed vada pav chai. We had these quizzes and so on. We also have intercompany sports competitions. These are between companies. During Christmas, we play Secret Santa, and TGIF is again, thank God, it's fun day is what we have. So any of the weekdays we take up, we play quizzes, games, or say Engineers Day is celebrated, Garba and so on. So whatever festival is there across the corner, we take it up and celebrate.